Okay, it's finally time. It is finally time. Oh yes, let's go. We're doing it. Okay, so let's go. It's finally warm enough. There's like 6 degrees Celsius outside. It's, you know, after a cold winter, it's pretty warm. We're gonna install these coilovers, the springs and the things in the back. And we're gonna change to summer rims and tires. Tomorrow is the first day you can actually ride them. Yeah, but the rims I'm gonna show you later because I know I still haven't showed you guys what kind of rims I got, so let's do this. Yes, we fucking did it. As always, there are struggles with old cars, rust, original parts that haven't been moved in like 20 years, 15 years, like a lot, but whew, okay. But once you get the hang of things, yeah, like, you know, you remove the first side, you know what to be ready for on the other side. But yeah, anyways, this side is pretty much out, you could say. Yeah, the suspension thingy is pretty much free, and now we just have to unbolt it up here, and we can install the coilover. Nice, let's go. It is out. Oh fuck. Okay, so here's the old one. Wait, do you call this a coilover too? Because there's a coil over the thing. But anyways, out with the old, and bam, in with the new. Look at this beautiful red, fresh out the shop, out the birthday gift box. Time to install it now. Let's go. Yes, these are the rims I got. Finally you can see them, and oh my god, they look big. I've never had 17-inch wheels, and wow, that looks beautiful. The coilover is in. Wow. Wow. Oh yeah, before I put this wheel on and adjust all the coilover settings and everything, you know, I thought this would be a 2-hour job, quick and easy. I think it's been 5 hours, and I've only done one side in the front. Oh my fucking god, dude. I hate this. My arm hurts, dude, help. Day 2. On day 1, all we did was do one coil and one wheel. I know it is pretty sad, but The reason is we got into a pickle, and this is pretty much how the pickle looks. Wait, no, it's off. This, I have a secret lug bolt on my thing, and well, I stripped this one. So, but thankfully, today, day 2, I found a new one, and I am able to finally get the wheel off and continue my coilover installation. So day 2 it is. Should be faster because now I know everything I need to do and I know all the problems I'm gonna run into. My favorite part about being a YouTuber is that you never record what you actually need to record. Dude, I just got jump scared pretty much. The spring shot out, dude. Even though I have this thing, it still shot out, but I was kind of expecting it, so I obviously didn't aim it at my face, but yeah, that was something special.
Šodien neieradies. Norīju, bļē, kebabiņu, ar Monster Energy. Bļē, fuck you, pimpi, bļē.
Okay, day 3. Yes, I know, I'm a slow worker, but we have to do the rear. We have to kinda redo the front because, well, actually, these things that come with the front coils, you need them as well. Other than that, everything is great, and yeah, let's finish this car lowering project. You know, I was watching a video and some guy said, oh, for the rear to replace the struts, you need 2 people or you need to be really flexible. Well, I don't think so, man, because I'm replacing my thing now and I just rested on the... Oh, come on, camera. You can see it. It's resting there. It is not screwed in. Let me take a flashlight. And no 2 people needed. You just need to be smart about it, motherfucker.